there are some great apps out there. Matter of fact, there are 4 apps that I use in my personal life, and I want to share those apps with you, and also some low tech for those of you that may not be, quote, techie. There's a great app that I use called NOZBE, N-O-Z-B-E. It's a great app to help you focus your mind, set timers. Another great app is called RESCUETIME. Now, what I like about RESCUETIME is it actually tracks the amount of time that you spend on web pages, social media, so that way you can set a timer and it will literally cut off your social media. It will say, hey, you have 30 seconds remaining. And that's a great app. Another one that I use is called GOALSONTRACK. Now, I like GOALSONTRACK because it allows you to create a pictorial vision board that I talk about in the course. And why vision boards, or what I call a focus board, it gives you something to focus your attention toward, whether it be a short-term goal or a long-term goal. Another great app out there is called Focus Pro. This is one that I use about every day. It sets up your priorities and what you should be focusing your energy on throughout the day. It's similar to a to-do list, but rather than just having random items, you get to prioritize your day by using that particular app. Now, for those of you that say, wait a minute, I'm not a techie, what about those of us that are old school? Here's something that I use, and you can use your cell phone. Simply using task reminders, and you can use your task reminders or even your calendar and block out sections of your day that you spend working on something. So that way, if someone's trying to, for example, if you're in the office schedule, you can put on there, working on something, and you block that time out. You can also use a simple pad and pencil and just write things out, but you want to give thought. And you want to make sure that you group things based on their similarity. For example, let's say you need to go to the grocery store. Does it make more sense to have a scatter list where you're crisscrossing the store? Or do you have some type of sequence? Okay, I'm gonna start with my meats, move from meats, move to dairy, have everything I need to get in dairy, move from dairy maybe to cereal. I never forget my mom years ago sent my dad to the store 3 times because she kept forgetting something. Finally, the 3rd time, my dad said, woman, write it down. I'm tired of running back and forth to the store. This is before cell phone. So again, it doesn't always have to be high tech or applications. It could be something as simple as old-fashioned pen and paper.